this locality, and then government takes interest and go and change things for better for the people living there. So these are the kind of inspirations which is the reason I am in this field.
MashaAllah, making a great impact, not just in the UK, but also Pakistan. I wanted to ask you, what view of the world do you want people to see Pakistan?
I think I really want to change the world's view on Pakistan, because Pakistan is not just a country of conflict. Yes, I agree. Pakistan has a lot of challenges, but beyond headlines, Pakistan is a country of beauty of landscapes. Pakistan should be known as for the strength of its people, resilience of its people, especially women. There are many brave women coming out of Pakistan, and Malala Yousafzai is one of them, and she's residing in England. She is from Pakistan, and there are other courageous women. There are other courageous men as well. So I want to see the world, Pakistan, from that lens, not from the lens of conflict. Okay, this place, terrorism and other things. Pakistan is much more than that. I don't know. Pakistan should be known for its beauty, like Hunza, Islamabad, one of the most beautiful capital in the world. Lahore, I want to know world from Lahore, a cultural city, historical city. Karachi, the economic hub. People, the beauty of the heart of the Pakistani people. I want to know. I want to see. Want the world to see this side of Pakistan as well.
Inshallah. And it slowly is. We've seen a lot of Westerners now visiting places like Hunza.